Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll show you how to add Apple TV remote widget directly to home screen on iOS 27. So in iOS 27, Apple finally brought back the ability to place Apple TV remote directly to your home screen. So what you want to do is simply swipe down from the middle of the screen on your home screen to bring up the Spotlight search bar, and now you want to type remote until you see familiar Apple TV remote icon, and now simply press and hold remote icon. Now drag your finger to place it directly to your home screen. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next one.